In this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how I remove the watermarks from my TikToks to repurpose them for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Snapchat, Triller, all kinds of different apps. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the App Store and search for this right here, SaveTalk. I've already downloaded this platform, so I'm going to go ahead and open it right here, right now. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the URL from the TikToks that I want to remove the watermarks from. So I'm going to close the app, go on over to TikTok, click on my profile, select a video that I want to remove the watermark from. We'll do this one here. I'm going to copy the link, go back to SaveTalk, and there we go. We can save it with no watermark. The best part is this app is free, it's easy to use, and the beautiful thing is this sets up all of your videos for complete success so that you can, once again, like I said, use them on Instagram Reels, you can use them on Snapchat, you can use them on YouTube Shorts. The biggest thing to keep in mind though is make sure that you don't have any issues with copyright. So for example, while TikTok may have unlocked the licensing for one video or one song, you may not have that same licensing available on Snapchat. So make sure that they have the sounds available, or that you go ahead and open up that video in an app like InShot. And InShot is a free app that will allow you to strip the audio so you can add a new audio from inside of the app that you're uploading it to the video. Okay. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. I hope it serves you and that you're able to create tons of amazing Instagram Reels. If you want to see how I actually repurpose my TikToks to my Instagram to get maximum reach, we've even had videos reach over 1 million views on Instagram Reels. Head on over to my Instagram account at the Mrs. Pedersen, all E's and a D in my last name. Follow me there and you can see exactly what I'm doing with my Instagram game, all thanks to SaveTalk and my TikTok videos. I'll catch you guys in the next one.